Okay, food trip. Let's enjoy eating with my friend. Alright. Alright. Thank you. Salamat. Hi guys. Try this one. You want bowl? I take you bowl. You want to separate? For me, I doesn't matter.
don't want. It's okay.
I-reveal ko na po kung sinong nanalo dito sa video na to. Dalawa ulit. Sorry, I speak in Tagalog. I'm talking to them.
I try.
Yan.
Nice.
Yung pong iba, salamat po sa pag-share. Wait lang po. Utay-utay. Isa-isa lang po. Once again po, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Thank you. You want this? Pepper? Try.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you want mine?
I tried that before. Nice, huh? This one, okay, huh? This one clean. I want vegetable. Why you, huh? Well, I know you're not sensitive, lah.
No, I don't mind. I don't mind.
Yeah, I know. Yan na po yung dalawa ko napili. Yeah, ilalagay ko dyan. Salamat po. Yan na po. Thank you. Salamat po sa support, ha. Sinubukan ko lang yung ganito, naka-sideway. Hindi nyo naman kita yung pagkain, no? You want more?
No, I don't. I want soup. Quite dry. Nice.
May nabiktima na naman ako maisama sa pagkain sa vlog. Bagong recruit. New recruit in vlogging. Ibon. Yeah. I told you. Sinigang po. Sinigang na eh. Sige na po. Babay na. Salamat po. Say babay na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you po. Thank you so much sa panonood. Bye. God bless everyone.